medisina, ang dictum naming mga doktor ay first do no harm. Okay? In anything that we prescribe, espouse, first do no harm. So we have to be sure na yung binibigay naming sangkap hindi harmful. Pangalawa, may evidence. Dapat strong ang evidence. You are claiming cure or treatment. Kung gagastusin lang yung pasyente o yung magulang para dyan, dapat naman ay mataas-taas ang probabilidad na magdudulot ng buti ito sa anak nila kesa hindi. Correct? In anything that you give, walang isang bagay na purely safe. There will always be some risks involved. Nutrition is very important for brain development. And I always tell my patients, Doktora, may kailangan bang inumin or kainin? Bigyan nyo ng healthy diet. Kung healthy ang diet niyan, sigurado ka lahat ng sangkap na kailangan for that brain to develop fully and well is there. The brain needs fats also, but good types of fats to develop. So, ang example ng good fats, DHA, olive oil, mahal lang nga. No? These are all good types of fats. May connection ang gastrointestinal or ang ating digestive system, ang ating tiyan sa utak. Meron, no? It's not only our brain. Whatever we eat, whatever is there in our gut can influence the way the brain works and develops. So, importante ang kinakain. Pero itong mga sinasabing DHA, they are good, they are healthy substances, not only for autism, for any individual, whether bata or matanda. Kaya lang, there are levels that we have to take note of because too much of it can be bad. Too much DHA can prevent your own production of DHA. Inulin is a prebiotic. Pag prebiotic, ibig sabihin, isa siyang uri ng substance na pwedeng kainin ng bacteria sa tiyan natin para dumami yung good bacteria. It may be healthy for as long as you give it correctly in the right amount.
Healthy.
Again, it can be dangerous if you're out of the amount. Now, I want to try all these substances, itong mga nutritional supplements na to. Get the opinion of a dietitian. Talk to your developmental pediatrician. Kasi if there is really good evidence for that, dumaan yan sa research, magandang-maganda, kami na pong unang-unang magre-reseta niyan. Kasi talagang gusto namin may ibigay sa mga pasyente. Pero as long as may iota of doubt, kasi baka may konting danger or whatever, or it's too expensive, pero marami ng iba na pwedeng ibigay na proven na, like behavioral intervention or therapy, no? To rewire that brain, you have to rewire the brain. It's not only nutrition. You have to rewire the brain. Then I will go for that.